1989.
After 7 years sitting.
FZR after sitting for 7 years and not thinking it was totally destroyed. Listen to that baby burn!
That thing is pouring like a kitten.
It's only smoking because we dumped about a quart of oil down the fucking spark plug hole, so.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Hey, it doesn't look bad either on video.
I gotta get my gas.
Oh yeah. Pretty fucking cool. It's gonna run out of gas. We had to turn the fuel pump off. It was just, it go too rich.
It's out of gas.